Guys, it's that time of year. We're gonna make some beautiful, awesome, amazing cornbread stuffing. And we're gonna use our Fieri Flavortown laser titanium pan for this. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. This thing is amazing. It's 3 times stronger than stainless steel. These pans are non-stick, but not in the traditional non-stick way. All right, they're not full of all those chemicals, all that stuff you worry about if you're scraping your spatula against it, getting in your food. These pans have no coating on them, so they're chemical free. And I'll tell you what, they're durable as all get out. We're gonna use a metal spatula. That's right, they have no coating on there, right? So you're free to use metal utensils on it. It's an amazing tool for your kitchen. I suggest you get some. Link will be in the bio if you wanna get yourself a set of these bad boys. So what did we do to get to this point? We had to set up our cornbread. We did that last night. Mixed up a box of that simple cornbread mix that you've been buying your whole life. We put it in our non-stick pan. I did not put any oil down. I did not put any butter down. Just put the batter in there and put it in the oven, cooked it to directions. Came out perfect. And I crumbled it up, put it on a sheet pan, let it dry out overnight, put it in that oven, and got it all nice and brown and crispy. Now it's ready to go. We have a simple set of ingredients here. Got some sage sausage, little celery, little onions, right? Easy as can be, you're gonna love it. But let's go ahead and get that sausage browned up. All this stuff comes together quickly. I'm gonna get that mix done, then we'll get it in the oven. It's gonna be money in the bank, y'all. Let's get our pan on, get that fire underneath it, get a little olive oil in there. Let that heat through. Oil's heated up. Let's get our onions and celery in there. Going with a little bit of salt, a little bit of cracked black pepper over the top. Let's get those worked around. Want to work on building the layers of flavor as you go, right? After these get translucent, we're gonna add that sausage in there. Do about 3 to 4 minutes saute. Get a little color on them. Make them look tasty. All right, time to get our sausage in. Just give that a chop through. Get it broken down. You want some big bits, you want some little bits. You want to taste it all through that stuffing. Get all those veggies mixed in. I hear a lot of you being worried about that metal scraping, but that's the good part about this cookware. You don't have to worry about any coating coming off. Nothing like that. We're good to go. Get this nice and browned up. Cook it all the way through. Looking good, baby. Just make sure you cook that sausage all the way through. Get it nice and fried in there. Get those nice brown bits going. Guys, you should smell in here. It smells like Thanksgiving. It's beautiful in here. Right, it's looking good. Time to add the cornbread. So don't worry about draining that grease either. To me, that's just flavor, baby. So we're gonna get our cornbread in there as carefully as can be. Now I like a ratio of basically 1 to 1 with my sausage and cornbread. We're just gonna kind of fold all this in. Let those cornbread chunks absorb some of that grease, all that good flavor. Nice and mixy. This is basically a 1-pan dish if you don't count, using the sheet pan for the cornbread. It's 1 pan. Now we're gonna add the rest of our goodies in there. I'm gonna go in there with the sage. This fresh sage that I chopped up. About a half a tablespoon's worth. I got a cup of chicken stock. That's what's gonna moisten it all up in there. No one likes dried stuffy, right? And if you see that it's not moistening up like you want, add a little bit more, okay? Sometimes the cornbread's a little drier than you want, or it's got a little too toasty in there. In fact, I'm gonna add another half a cup in there because I feel like you can use it all over. Beautiful. Then I got a little poultry seasoning going in. All right, this is just good flavors going in. Like I said, we're just building as we go. Okay. Healthy half a tablespoon or so. Gonna give it a touch more salt. Guys, don't be afraid to season your food. Just make sure everything's mixed in and incorporated. Oh, guys, that looks gorgeous. You know you're gonna love it. I'm gonna spread it all out evenly so it cooks evenly. But you can see the ratio of sausage to cornbread is perfect. I'm telling you, that 1-to-1 ratio. Got our celery, onions, all that good stuff. Team, it is time to get this in the oven. We're going 350, about 25 minutes or so. Get that top nice and crispy and golden brown, delicious. I'm telling you, that one pan, it's perfect. These Guy Fieri Flavortown laser titanium pans are perfect. You know why? Because I cooked on the stove here, and now we're gonna put it in the oven because they can withstand up to 700 degrees. And we're only doing 350, so half as much. So let's get this in the oven, finish this bad boy off. I know y'all can't wait to see this done, so this will be quick for you. It's gonna take the 25 minutes for me, but you're lucky, it's gonna be too quick. We'll see you in 25. Fresh out the oven, still steaming hot. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little fresh parsley to this. Give it a little bit more herbaceousness. And listen, I could plate this up, but I brought a spoon for myself. I am not sharing this. Guys, I cannot wait to get into this. I'm gonna show you guys, this is so moist and delicious. You know I gotta get a bite, can't wait any longer. It's hot, blow on it. Cheers, y'all. That right there is a spoon drop, baby. So dang good. All the flavors you want in your stuffing and more. Sweet cornbread, savory sausage, all them good veggies running through there, all that seasoning. You have to make this. I'll have the ingredient down below in the caption, video description, right? You're gonna love it. Guys, if you wanna get yourself some of this Guy Fieri Flavortown laser titanium pots and pans, links will be down below. They're affiliate links. Don't cost you any more to use it, but it helps out your boy, right? If you'd like to become a show producer like all these awesome people scrolling in front of me, people that know cornbread is the right way to make your stuffing, that works for me. There are 2 ways to join up. Either you click that link for Patreon in my video description, or you hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.